Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Jay. This is my channel, Make Money with Video, where I show lots of different ways to make money using video. But in today's video, we're going to talk about KDP Low Content Books and how to build a brand. Now, before we get into it, this is my channel. If you look, I show my earnings from KDP. I show different ideas and that. More earnings, but I also show different ways how to make the colouring books and how to make money with videos. You come and check it out, guys, if you want. Feel free. It's only a small channel, but appreciate the support. So let's get into it, guys. Now, I watch a lot of videos on YouTube, especially from My Freedom Empire, amongst others. But on this video, she shows us, she's called Caroline, by the way. Check her channel out, it's really good. But she shows us how this I don't know if it's a Jade somewhere, I don't know if it's a brand. Well, it's a brand, so and it shows how they're making $40,000 per month, with colouring books, low content books. So come and check this video out, guys. She goes into lots of details. She shows you that how they're building a brand and how they're making all this money. So it's worth a watch. I'm going to skim through it and I'm going to show you, this is Jade Summers' account, and as you can see, she's got books, what are $7.99, $7.99, $5.99, $5.99, and this is her bestseller, selling for $7.99. So another one, $7.99, another good seller. So come and check them out, guys. Jade Summer has also got a website, which is where they get a lot of the money, because they've got an email list where they can just send, every time they're releasing a new book, they can send an email beforehand saying coming soon, we've got a new book coming out, to build the hype up, build the excitement, and then when it gets released, I'm going to call her a she, but I'm not sure, right? Then she sends it an email to when the new book releases, and because of the excitement and all the hype revolved around it, they're going to buy it, guys. They're going to click on it and they're going to buy it. So this is a website. As you can see, it's all about her books. Sorry, I'll just get to the top. So you got she gives away some freebies. She's got a store though with all the different Amazon links, and here they all are, guys. You can click on these and it'll take you straight to the Amazon page, and you can buy them if you really want to, guys. And this is all she's doing. She's uploading to a website and she's putting them in categories and nice and big and bold for you to read, to look at, and then if you like the look of it, click on it. That's a website. And she's also got a Facebook page, but I'm not a member of it, and I don't want to join it because I've not bought any of her books, so I don't want to be a fraud kind of thing. But got 14,000 members. Post 31 new posts a day, 1,000 in the last month. So it's a popular site, a popular group. So what they probably do on here as well, guys, is they're probably posting up, uploading the pictures what they've coloured in, building hype that way. So someone might not have that book, but they might like that picture, so then they're going to ask about it, they're going to inquire about it, and they might even buy it. So it's building more hype. And then another one, guys, they've got the Instagram pages where they're uploading the pictures. So they're colouring them in and then they're uploading them. Now, I don't know if Jade herself is uploading these from her books, like her art and that, or whether it's the people who send them in, guys. And she's also got a Pinterest, where again she's uploading the same images what she does on Instagram to here. So she's driving traffic back to her Amazon page and that. Also got a YouTube channel, so you can see she's quite popular across all. She's quite active across all the different social medias and places to be. She uploads a books where it's just a plain little video like this, going through the books so that people can have a look inside it. So this is where I come. This is what I've decided to do, guys. On my on my KDP, the books I have published so far, yeah, I created a Facebook page, yeah, and my brand is all about Christmas, yeah. It's called Christmas Every Day, and I upload the videos. My videos are not as good as Jade's because all mine is just a couple of images out of the book, yeah, and then I upload them, guys. And these are my different books. I post other things like about my website, Christmassy things, yeah, 5 months, there's Elf, and yeah. So I'm trying to build a community. I'm trying to build a support system so then I can do the same, guys. Now, moving on, I also created a Facebook group, but I only made it the other day. I've only got 7 members, so feel free to come and check us out. We're called the Christmas Everyday Club, and I'm not uploading the books in here, guys. I'm just like trying to build like a network of support people community, yeah. Then I've also got Christmas Everyday Club on Instagram, where I upload different like movies I've watched, a picture on my website, funny pictures, some quizzes, like just random things, guys, yeah. Just movies I've watched and stuff like that. So I'm going to start uploading pictures of my books, guys, and then they can link back to it, yeah. So that's the website, which I'm going to show you. I'll show you in a minute, guys. But I've also got a TikTok. I've only got 6-7 followers. I upload my books to it, so people can come and watch it. I upload the movies I've watched to try and build a bit of a fan base and that. Yeah, so look at some more of my books if you want to come and check them out. Some Christmassy things. And like I said, guys, it's all about trying to build like a brand, a network, and that. Yeah. Again, Twitter, got Twitter Christmas Every Day. This is new. I had an old channel, which I tried to change the password, tried to change the stuff I wanted to change. It wouldn't let me, so I created a new one, guys. And as you can see, no followers and no following and no followers. So feel free to become the first one if you want to follow us. And then we've got the YouTube channel. Now, I upload the books, but I've got to admit, guys, they're not getting many views. Now, these two have not got any views. Yeah. But I do a bit of affiliate marketing as well. Another book, some gift ideas. Yeah. So it's pretty much what it is. Anything to do with Christmas, like gift ideas and stuff like that. I'm going to upload it to here. Then I'm going to link back to my website and that. Let me show you my website. Yeah. Well, let's just come off that. Let's just type it in. And guys, this is like main like sort of like platform, the headquarters basically. So yeah, this is my website. Again, Christmas Every Day. It's all linked. Every social media is all linked and that, guys. So you can come on here, tells when you're doing it and all that. If you want to quick look at it, feel free to come and check it out. We've got lots of Christmas music, recipes, freebies, trivia, Christmas stories, Christmas games, and Christmas videos, and we've got blog posts, guys. But what I want to show you here is our store. Now, this website is nothing like Jade Summers. Jade Summers is all about her books. Now, all my books are on here. Not them all yet. Only quite a few of them, not them all. And these, you click on them, it takes you straight to the Amazon page, guys. Now, granted, if we look at Jade Summers' website, it's all about her books, yeah. So that's a good way. But what I'm trying to do with my website, guys, I'm trying to build it up so then people can come to it, yeah, and they can come to like this part here, and it's got all these different fun interactive stuff, and they can watch little like videos, cute videos. You can listen to music, look at recipes, get some freebies, downloads. This is where I'm going to start sharing like colouring pages and stuff like that for you guys and videos, so you can send them to your friends, like wishing them happy Christmas and stuff like that. Yeah, trivia if you want to take some quizzes and stuff like that. Yeah, some stories, lots of games on here, and videos, guys. So yeah, that is my website. That is what I'm doing. So the gist of it, guys, let's go back here. There is going to be opt-in forms here for like a newsletter and that, so then I can start sending emails about my new books coming out, like Jade Summers doing, because my website, my YouTube channel, Twitter, TikTok, yeah, you name it, I cover it all pretty much. Yeah, they're all linked. They're all linking back to each other, and the name of the game is to build a community, like a support network, which know, like, and trust me, and then they'll buy my books, and then it's like a circle, so it goes full swing. They come to have fun, they see a book, I tell them about a book, they might want to buy it, they might not, but that's about it, guys. That's how I am trying to build a brand. Now, I've shown you my books, and a lot of influencers don't show you books because obviously they don't want people copying, but I'm new to the game, I'm still learning. If you want to follow my journey, please come and subscribe to this channel. It's Make Money with Video. Like, I'm Jay. Like, check out some of my other videos. Follow me. Yeah, see the progress. See if my income's going to get better and better, or is it not? Now, you've probably seen that I've got lots of Christmas books, so I'm preparing for Q4. Now, if you look at these, I'll give you some Q4 ideas. Yeah, so that's it, guys. I know it's gone on a bit long, but I hope you enjoyed the transparent what I've just shown you. And check out Freedom Empire. Yeah, My Freedom Empire. This is a very interesting video, and it shows basically what I'm trying to achieve, and it's definitely going to be worth it. Well, I hope anyway. So that being said, guys, I'm Jay. Until next time, thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.